One, two, three, start. There has been a spate of reports in the past few weeks about India acquiring military equipment from various sources on a large scale as part of what looks like a massive rearmament program. Full stop. The most important of the deals made by Delhi recently is with the Soviet Union, which is to supply $1,600 million worth of sophisticating India's army, navy, and air force. Full stops. The supplies are part of a bigger agreement under which Delhi is to receive from Moscow military hardware of the value $2.6 billion over the next 2 years. Full stop. Since Moscow sells to its ally on concessional terms, the Soviet supplies will be worth much more in real terms. Full stop. India's latest acquisition takes on added dimension if placed beside the aircraft recently purchased from the United Kingdom. Full stop. Negotiations are at the same time going on with West Germany for the purchase of sophisticated submarines to give new teeth to the Indian Navy. Full stop. This is not all. Delhi is also making a bid to get latest missiles and air defense equipment from France, and for this purpose a high-level Indian delegation is currently in Paris. Full stop. Hungary too is on the list of countries from who India intends to make military imports. It has also in the meantime managed to acquire huge amounts of heavy water from the Soviet Union and the United States. Over and above India's frenzied pace at military preparedness, it possesses a large indigenous weapons manufacturing capacity and is even in a position to sell small arms to the outside world. Full stop. It has also lately begun to produce or assemble tanks, aircraft, and missiles. Full stop. All this cannot but add tremendously to its offensive capability and create tension in the region. Full stop.